Take a ride in the 2019 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera, airbags, front knee, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.